Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover about H5P, which is HTML5 package, and I'm going to explore the H5P and also want to give you some suggestion on how you can integrate this H5P contents with DIU BLC. I am Ahmed Al Maruf, a lecturer of Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Daffodil International University. So in this video I'm going to cover what is H5P and why you should use H5P, and I'm going to also explore some different creative contents of H5P and integration with DIU BLC. So there are two types of integration possible. So one is by downloading the .h5p files and directly putting it into the BLC, and also directly creating contents in DIU BLC. So let's move on to the basics of H5P. So if you just Google search about H5P, it will give you the website of h5p.org, which is for creating and sharing rich HTML5 contents for different applications. So H5P, H is actually an abbreviation of HTML, and 5 is the version 5, and P stands for package. So H5P contents are actually very much soothing to the eyes and very colorful. So students actually love this type of contents. And so let's move on to the h5p.org file. So this h5p.org, here you can see that a very simple example is given here. So also a video is attached for how to create interactive video editor. So you can create richer HTML5 contents in existing publishing platforms like Moodle or DIU BLC. You can share the H5P capable sites and also reuse and modify them using your browser anytime, anywhere. So it's obviously it will also supercharge your website and also mobile friendly contents. So students will not feel any problem while using the BLC from mobile. And also it has very rich contents. I'm going to show you different contents also, and most importantly it is free to use. So for creating an account, it's a free account you can create here. So you have to just give your names and things. So as I have already registered, so this is my account, and I have created already 3 contents here. So let's try out H5P first, and then I'm going to show you how I have created one of my content. So in the recent H5P, it has the only 2 options. One is create content, and another is the upload. So you can directly upload some H5P file if you have any, but here is the create content option, and you can see that all content types has in total 14 results. So A to Z you can search, or the newest search, or recently used first. So as I have used the drag the verse version, so it is coming at the very first location. So let me show you each of these contents. So first one is actually drag the word. So let us go to the detail. So this is an example. So this is a very simple fill in the gaps, and you have to just choose one from here, and you have to just click on the button and you can drag over to this position. So like this, and if you just click on the try or check, then it will give you the result as you can see. So the correct results and the incorrect results are also shown here, and there is also a show solution option obviously. So similar to that, there is also fill in the blanks, where sorry Similar to drag the word version, there is also a content called fill in the blanks. So if you just want to show the detail, so this is the fill in the blanks and there is no option added. So in drag the word version, there is also options given, so you can use any one here. Then there is a very interesting one, that is drag and drop. So something like this, you can see this one. You have to just drag and drop the name of this fruit here, and then you can check the score. So it's very interactive and also very easy to create. There is also a dialog card, so you can actually test the uh, knowledge of your student. Like this image is here, and voice is also added here, so they will guess the name of this fruit, and then if they just click on the turn, the name of the fruit will be revealed, and they can also check that if they were correct or not. So there are similar types of um, content creation, like guess the answer is also same as similar as dialog cards. The most important one is interactive video. You can also create your own video here and then attach some MCQ questions or any suggestion type open-ended questions in your interactive video. So this one is one of the best features, I would say, in H5P. Then also memory games is a very common games we have played in childhood. So for using images, you can also create some games. MCQ is here, and also single choice set questions types are here. So students can actually understand why they have what are the correct answer. Also, you can provide the incorrect answers solution to them here. Summary, true false question, flashcards, image sliders, these are all available here. So in this H5P website, you can see that examples and downloads are here. So if you just click here, examples and downloads, it will actually show you many different types of content. So it's now showing currently all. You can just add, click on the games, and it will be showing you the games, multimedia, and then question answer type, or any kind, something like social media. So I'm going to show you that there are many types of content creation, but one thing is actually problem is that as you create a free account, you have only those 14 contents, so you don't have the access of this audio recorder or arithmetic quiz or even dictation or collage, then documentation tool. These are not actually available in the free version of this H5P. One more thing I want to add, that if you start using H5P, you will see that they will also integrate the OER Hub very soon. So they have already started working on it, and 83% is done. So OER is the full form of OER is online education resources. So the all the resources and contents that we teachers are going to make are going to be collectively hold in H5P OER Hub, and we can also use the OER Hub contents, the shared contents also. So uh, let's go to my account, and I have actually tried out to create three different types of um, contents. So let me show you one, the validity check on name fields. So this one is actually, I have created two different droppables where uh, this validity checks of name fields are actually from assembly language course. So in any kind of programming language, you have some basic rules for uh, words or names that you are going to use in programming language. So there is a validation check if this word is legal or not. So I have given some different examples and thrown anywhere, and they have to just drag and drop into this platform. So if this one is true or legal name, say suppose this one is illegal name, so a student can drag and drop these contents anywhere in these two panels, and then check if it is correct or not. So you can see that these two are not actually correct. So here you can also see, so you can just retry here and also reuse and understand that this one the correct category of the names. So to reuse your video, you have this contents, you have to actually come here at the below, and you can embed this content in your DIU BLC, or you can just click on the reuse, and then a pop-up will come. So this pop-up actually gives you permission to download as an .h5p file. So I have already downloaded this one, so I will not download this time. So the next portion of this video is going to actually cover how you can add this H5P contents in your DIU BLC. So let's move on. At first you have to actually turn editing on of your DIU BLC.